This is Michael Troy Moore, President and General Counsel of the Sonic Labor and Visual Entertainers Union and Fremont Street Performer number 4300. This letter from our union was sent to the Fremont Street Experience L.L.C. in the city of Las Vegas as a joint employer on August 13th. These were two certified mailings, and it's a notice of unpaid wages and benefits and demand claim of record regarding any future Fremont Street Experience bankruptcy filings. I'll read the letter as follows. Dear Fremont Street Experience in the city of Las Vegas, this union declares for the official record that our members, also known as the Fremont Street Performers, who have been your employees since at least September of 2015, are asserting our claims for unpaid wages and benefits. This claim includes any Fremont Street Experience, City of Las Vegas, public workers' health and pension programs. This letter is the 20th claim and notice of the fact that it has never been answered by your joint employership or as Fremont Street individually or the City of Las Vegas individually as a municipality. The unpaid wage claims is supported by our union members' own records and even Fremont Street Experience and City of Las Vegas scheduling records which are in your possession, and I caution you to preserve those records for future court and Nevada Labor Commission audits. Any deletion of the lottery scheduling records you have kept since 2015 will constitute a spoilage of evidence, and I have cautioned the Fremont Street Experience and City of Las Vegas in writing in the past. The basic unpaid wage claim is around 30 hours a week at 52 weeks at $7.25 an hour from 2015 till 2020, and then at a rate after July 1st, 2020 of $9 an hour for about 6 years, going back to the enforcement of scheduling of our union members for their employment on the Fremont Street Circle workstations, working hours, and waiting behind circles for a shift and or management interrogation. In short, there is about $100 million in unpaid wages and benefits in this disputed claim. In 2015, there were around 245 employees as Fremont Street Performers. After the Fremont Street Experience in the city of Las Vegas created the employee status and coordinated to run off Las Vegas Strip Performers with the Las Vegas Convention and Visitor Authority along with LVNPD to force them into your employment on Fremont Street. The number of employees rose after this. The union has been authorized by a majority of your employees to represent them and is on the record at several city council meetings and via correspondence to both the Fremont Street Experience and the City of Las Vegas. The union has and still has and maintains a majority status of your employees for representation purposes. I have had multiple threats in writing and in person both from the Fremont Street Experience and the City of Las Vegas to disclaim interest in representing our members in our 7-year-long labor dispute with you as joint employers. The union has been informed for some time that the Fremont Street Experience L.L.C. plans to file for bankruptcy protection, and we have reason to believe that is not to do with any other reason than trying to skip out on the 2019 light show upgrades bonds. The union is declaring this labor dispute has legitimate wage and hour as well as benefit claims on behalf of our members under your employment control since 2015. The union is putting the Fremont Street Experience LLC in the city of Las Vegas on notice to declare our back wages and benefits have a liability of around $100 million should a bankruptcy be filed in court in the future. The workers must be paid for the labor that you as joint employers already benefited from at least from 2015 to present in a strange quasi-involuntary servitude working condition on public property. Any claims would be up to a judge in a court of competent jurisdiction and or to be considered in a bankruptcy filing as a liability and unpaid debt to our union members and your employees, known as the Fremont Street Performers. There are other claims of constructive discharge and wrongful termination of our union members. Several would simply like to be reinstated to work on Fremont Street without a hostile work environment from the Fremont Street Experience and the City of Las Vegas as a joint employer. As always, this union is standing by to discuss any reasonable solutions mutually beneficial to the Fremont Street Experience, the City of Las Vegas, and our union members. Any talks would allow the Fremont Street Experience and the City of Las Vegas to do the right thing and show good faith in this labor dispute before it does finally get before the Nevada Labor Commissioner or judges in the Ninth Circuit or writ of certiorari to the United States Supreme Court is considered and granted. Sincerely, Michael Troy Moore, employee number 4300 of the Fremont Street Experience and City of Las Vegas. In addition to that employment status, I am President and General Counsel of MTM Sonic Labor and Visual Entertainers Union, 2550 East Desert Inn Road, number 494, Las Vegas, Nevada, 89121, 702-824-8342, and email the Slave Union, Las Vegas Local 69 at AOL.com.